Hello, welcome to the CartLock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today, I'll show you how to block a zero amount of order using the CartLock app in Shopify. First, open the CartLock app and click on the Add a New Rule button. Next, click on the Add a New Condition button from the available options. Select the Cart Total option. Now, set the block of less than field to 1. This will ensure that customers can't purchase for less than $1. We will leave the block if more than field blank. Now give it a rule name for your reference. Set a proper or error message. This message is important because it will show to the customers. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Now we will add a zero price product to our cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is visible, so the customer is blocked from ordering. That's it. You've successfully set up a zero order restrictions in your store. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the CartLock app. Happy selling!